Welcome back, y'all. This is Evo from Evoscreation, and today we about to turn everybody house parties into take it to the next level. We are making candy jello, not a jello shot. So today we about to take the house party to the next level. We are making candy shot glasses. So I already cut. I got my mold. I already cut the Jolly Ranchers and the Starburst in half, so I can start fitting them to my mold. My oven's back here, heating on 350. So let's go ahead and start putting them in. I'm gonna start with the pink ones. You gotta put them all the way in the bottom and get them tight. Hold it to be tight. Nice and move. Alright guys, so now as you see that we got our molds filled, got all pink in this one, pink and red, and we got orange and yellow in this one. Now we're gonna fill up on the other side our Jolly Ranchers. So while we're doing this, I think I want to experiment. I think I'm gonna mix Jolly Ranchers and these black pink Starbursts and one on two. So hopefully come out nice. Now we're back. We filled in our Jolly Ranchers. We put them on a flat sheet pan. And we're gonna have to, like I said, our oven is on 350 already preheated. We're gonna take this and transfer it over there. But y'all, let me know if y'all ready for this one. This is the one that mixed with the Starburst and the Jolly Ranchers. And I think this is gonna be my favorite shot glass. So y'all come with me while I put this in. Alright, now we're back. We got our candy shot glasses out the refrigerator from chilling for like an hour, hour and a half. Let's see if we successfully pulled it out. This is the first one. Oh, it's hard to come out. Oh yeah. That's it. That's a little weird. Put that thing down. Let's see if we get another one. These are Starburst. I'll get a Jolly Rancher. Oh, that Jolly Rancher look fire. Yeah. So now we got them out of there. Let's see if it stands up and do not leak. If we successfully did it. It's looking strong. I don't see no leakage. Oh yeah, they successfully solid. And we can drink them. There you have it, folks. Starburst and Jolly Rancher shot glasses. This right here, gonna take the house party to the next level.